Here's the guide to Digital 1000 HRV IBB UPS. Unboxing and quick setup. Let's begin with unboxing the package. Cut the nylon belt and lift the carton box from the top. Remove the polythene cover and foams and lift the UPS from the lower carton tray. Now your UPS is ready to set up. Turn on the battery circuit breaker. Connect the application input plug to the UPS output socket. Now, connect the UPS input power plug to the main socket before switching the UPS on. Press the on-off button in the front panel for 2 seconds to switch on the UPS. Your UPS is ready to use. Remember to follow the good practices to ensure your safety.